Introduce highlight features and quick overview of UV Light Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Self-Charging Robo Vacuum Cleaner, UV Light Sterilizer, SereneLife PUCRCX70. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The 1200 PA suction power of this vacuum robot pet hair sweeper robot is strong enough to lift up tiny dust without compromising battery performance. You can adjust the machine suction power in any working mode. Competitors featuring suction-only cleaning are no match. This vacuum cleaner robot is equipped W/UV lamp sterilizer that kills germs and viruses plus spinning side brushes to lift up fine dust particles other robots leave behind. Pure Clean Home Robot Sweeper Self-Charging Robotic Cleaners features obstacle detection and cleans around objects or furniture. Also equipped W/anti-fall sensors and protective bumper housing to keep RoboVac from falling off stairs. This robotic vacuum cleaner mop combo will automatically return to the charging station when battery power is low. It also comes with remote control for hassle-free operation. The ultra-quiet carpet/tile/hardwood floor robot vacuum slim auto vacuum features a low-profile design to easily slide underneath furniture and has a high-capacity 9.6 volt. 2000 mAh LiFePO4 rechargeable battery for 60 to 70 minute run time. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.